How to transfer money with Santander Bank. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In order to complete a money transfer using the Santander Bank, you can follow the simple steps. Begin by opening the Santander mobile bank application on your device and log in into your account securely. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the transfer section within the app, and this section is designed to facilitate your transactions conveniently. In the transfer section, you will be prompted to choose the specific amount from which you wish to transfer funds as well as the account where you want the money to go. This step ensures that your money is directed accurately, and after selecting the accounts involved, you will need to input the exact amount you wish to transfer along with the date you want the transaction to take place. It's crucial to provide accurate details at this stage for the seamless process, and before finalizing the transfer, take a moment to review all the provided information carefully, and once you have confirmed that the details are correct, proceed to confirm the transfer. For added security, you may be required to utilize your fingerprint or enter the specific security details to authorize and complete the transfer successfully. So this additional layer of the authentication ensures the safety of your transactions. By following the simple steps, you can easily and securely transfer money using the Santander Bank's mobile application. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe and like for more valuable content and updates. Make sure to engage with and follow our page for the latest information and financial tips. Thank you for watching.